Using crypto tools for trading can offer several advantages over traditional trading methods. Firstly, crypto tools can provide access to a wider range of markets and assets, enabling traders to diversify their portfolios and potentially increase their returns. Secondly, crypto tools can offer greater transparency and security, as transactions are recorded on a public blockchain and are therefore immutable and resistant to fraud or manipulation. Finally, crypto tools can offer faster and more efficient transactions, with lower fees and no need for intermediaries such as banks or brokers. Overall, incorporating crypto tools into trading strategies can offer several benefits that traditional methods may not be able to match. In this video, I'm going to show you guys 5 cryptocurrency tools to use. Number 5. CryptoWatch. CryptoWatch is a popular charting and trading terminal for cryptocurrency markets. Their mission is to provide one powerful interface to scan prices, analyze market movements, and make trades on every major exchange. CryptoWatch is owned by the Kraken Exchange and was founded in 2014 by Artur Sapek. CryptoWatch has a blazing fast price updates on over 17,000 markets and 4,000 crypto assets, live portfolio syncing for your personal holdings, and the most trusted social network in the cryptosphere. Number 4. Messari. Founded by Ryan Selkis in 2018, Messari provides crypto market intelligence products that help professionals navigate crypto/Web3. It sought to become the crypto industry's equivalent of Crunchbase and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's Edgar database, which contains company registration statements and reports among other documents, all of which are publicly available. Number 3. CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap provides cryptocurrency market cap rankings, charts, and more. CoinMarketCap tracks capitalization of various cryptocurrencies by listing prices, available supply, amount of coins that is currently in circulation, trade volume over last 24 hours, or market capitalizations. Number 2. TradingView. Founded in 2011 by Stan Bokov, TradingView is a web and mobile platform for traders of stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets. It offers real-time charts, technical analysis tools, and social collaboration. TradingView allows users to share their ideas and receive feedback from other traders. Number 1. Dash2Trade. Founded by Duco van Rossum in 2022, Dash2Trade is a crypto analytics and trading network built by traders for traders. Dash2Trade provides social analytics, trading signals, and data to maximize your profits. Here's Dash2Trade roadmap, and as you can see, they are improving extremely fast, and these future updates will help you benefit more from using their tool. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. The video we produce are for educational purposes only.